everyone, here comes my new journey. New because this is why I'm starting out for so many days. Because I'm a barefoot girl, but because of my busy schedule, I was like about to share my daily routine with you. I know you miss me a lot, aren't you? And this barefoot girl is just so excited to walk barefoot. Yes. Today even, I can just tell you that how much I love my mama earth. Can you see it? The dirty streets over here, the footpath. But okay, it's fine for me to walk barefoot like this. In these days, I experience that now I'm having my natural padding to walk off. Walk with me and enjoy. I know in the beginning it's really tough to walk barefoot, but after that, you have the experience, you have the natural padding too. So, this is just a short video to assure that yes, you can be barefoot too. So, if you like this video, do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel right now. And if there is any custom request, do mail me. Bye bye. Happy barefooting.